Here are 30 Ford secrets mechanics don't want you to know. Number 1. Everyone knows Henry Ford created the assembly line, but what most people don't know is that he also doubled worker wages in 1914 so they could actually afford the cars they built. It wasn't just kindness, it was a genius way to lock in loyal workers and sell more cars. Number 2. Fords are notorious for throwing a check engine light, but in many cases it's just a loose gas cap. Mechanics know this, but they'll happily charge you $100 for a diagnostic test. Number 3. That oil change required message? You don't need a shop to reset it. On most Fords, just press the brake and gas pedal together for 20 seconds and the message disappears instantly. Number 4. Ford's sealed for life transmissions sound bulletproof, but here's the catch. The fluid still breaks down. By the time owners find out, it's often too late, and mechanics cash in on rebuild jobs. Number 5. Every Ford key fob hides a secret mechanical key. It's there for emergencies when the battery dies. Most owners never realize it until they're locked out in a parking lot. Number 6. Many Fords have a hidden diagnostic mode built into the dash. Hold down the trip button during startup, and you'll unlock a secret menu with fuel levels, gauge sweeps, and error codes. Mechanics use this, but they'd rather you didn't know it exists. Number 7. Ford dealers love charging big bucks for cabin air filter changes. What they don't tell you is that most Ford filters are behind the glove box and take 5 minutes to swap with a $15 part. Number 8. That fancy anti-rust coating on Ford trucks? It doesn't last forever. After a few winters, the protection fades and frames start rotting. Mechanics stay quiet, waiting for you to show up with rust repair bills. Number 9. Ford trucks secretly log engine hours, how long the motor has actually been running. Dealers use this to judge wear, but most owners have no clue the data even exists. Number 10. Ford's EcoBoost engines are advertised to run fine on regular gas. True, they'll run, but mechanics know premium fuel keeps them cleaner and extends their life. Number 11. TPMS sensors in Ford wheels run on sealed batteries. They only last 7-10 years, then fail completely. Mechanics usually wait until your dash lights up before telling you. Number 12. Ford's older Triton V8 engines have a dirty little secret. The spark plugs can break off inside the engine when removed. Mechanics know the safe removal tricks, but broken plugs mean big money repairs. Number 13. If your Ford suddenly feels sluggish, it might be in limp mode. Often it's caused by a simple sensor glitch. But many owners tow their car straight to the shop, which mechanics don't mind at all. Number 14. Ford software updates often fix rough idling, Bluetooth dropouts, and even fuel economy issues. The problem? Dealers rarely tell you. They want you coming back for mystery fixes. Number 15. Quick break. If you're learning something new, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. That way, you'll always catch the next batch of car secrets mechanics don't want you to know. Number 16. Certain Ford trucks with start-stop technology actually have 2 batteries. When one dies, the other covers it, until it doesn't. Most drivers only find out when mechanics deliver the double bill. Number 17. Ford's easy fuel system eliminates gas caps, but it also allows dirt and debris to sneak into the filler neck. That leads to misfires and repair jobs mechanics love. Number 18. Tow haul mode on Ford trucks isn't just a gimmick, it saves transmissions. Forget to use it and you're slowly cooking your gearbox. Number 19. Some Fords claim to have long-life coolant, but mechanics know it still breaks down and causes overheating. By the time owners realize it's too late. Number 20. Ford's MyKey system can limit speed, radio volume, and even disable certain features. Mechanics rarely mention it. So many owners pay for electrical inspections when it's just MyKey settings. Number 21. Brake rotor replacements are one of the biggest upsells in Ford service departments. Many rotors last longer than claimed, but shops love pushing early replacements. Number 22. Ford alternators sometimes overcharge batteries, cooking them early. Mechanics know this but won't warn you. They'd rather replace both parts later. Number 23. Ford trucks have small drain holes in the tailgate. If they clog, water pools and rust forms from the inside out. Cleaning them takes minutes, but mechanics don't remind you. Number 24. Window regulator failures are common on older Fords. Shops love quoting full replacements, but many times it's just a cheap plastic clip that broke. Number 25. Some Fords are flex fuel capable, meaning they can run on E85 ethanol. but mechanics often steer owners away from it, even though the cars are designed for it. Number 26. Fords have reinforced jack points underneath, but many shops ignore them and risk bending the frame. Mechanics don't correct this because fixing bent metal pays well. Number 27. Bad oxygen sensors are a classic Ford problem. They kill fuel economy and trigger warning lights. Mechanics often let them slide until you fail emissions, then hit you with a rush bill. Number 28. Ford trucks often hide drain plugs under skid plates, making oil changes harder than they should be. Mechanics don't mind. It means you keep paying them instead of doing it yourself. Number 29. That huge plastic engine cover? It's just for looks and noise reduction, but it traps heat under the hood, which shortens the life of parts. Mechanics don't complain, it means more replacements for them. Number 30. Ford vehicles track way more data than you think. Engine load, throttle position, even how often you floor it. Mechanics use this info during inspections, but they rarely tell you what's being recorded. And there you have it. 30 Ford secrets mechanics don't want you to know. Some of these tricks could save you hundreds of dollars if you know them ahead of time. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.